Hi, I'm Tim from SG Heating and Air Conditioning. We recently installed a Carrier 2-head mini-split system in the house behind me in Hamilton, New Jersey. Let's check it out. So the customer called us because they were having a problem with cooling on their second floor. This is a Cape Cod-style house, which is pretty typical for houses in most of the areas that we serve in Hamilton and Lawrenceville. And there's no easy solution with the system that is in the basement. There's no space to run new ductwork. So a 2-head mini-split was a perfect solution for this house. So not only does this solve the homeowner's problem, but another benefit is that it produces heat as well as cooling. So although the customer called us for a cooling issue on the second floor, the heating is an added benefit. Not only that, but the system is much more efficient than the system that they have in their basement. Thank you for watching this video. If you think a ductless solution would benefit your home, please feel free to give us a call or check us out online.